Alright guys, welcome to another video. Today we're talking about the September Nomadik Box. So stay tuned through the intro. What's up? My name is Doug, the Bearded Outdoorsman. Welcome to another video. If you enjoy beard product reviews, gear reviews, and gear tips, then you have come to the right place. Take that first step, click that subscribe button. Alright, so today we're going to be talking about the September Nomadik Box. Now, if you're new to Nomadik, it is a subscription service. You pay, you can pick 1 month, 6 months, or 12 months, and they will send you these boxes out each and every month. And you, when you sign up, you tell them your shoe size, what kind of cell phone you have, all your interest, and then they can specifically put stuff in there that's going to either fit you, work for you, or whatever. So it's an amazing subscription service, and I'll have the prices in the description below for the different ones. I completely forgot to write them down before I came out here today, but you can check out some other videos. I will put a card up top to a playlist of all Nomadik unboxings that I have done on this channel. I signed up for 6 months, and after I did 6 months, I did a 6-month kind of a review to tell you what I thought about was the 6 months worth it. And then Nomadik sent me a few more boxes to test out. So here we are with September. This is an early release for the September box. So let's check it out. It sounds like it's got some goodies in here, but they've changed their box up a little bit. I think this is the first one I've seen that has like the topo kind of map on it. So let's get into this. One cool thing about Nomadik is they have an ironclad guarantee, which means that if something comes in this box that's broken, damaged, won't work, or you already have one, then you can reach out to Nomadik and they will make it right. They'll either send you a new product if the one you got doesn't work, or they will replace it with something different, something that you don't already have. So let's get into this box. Oh, that's cool. This is the first one I've seen like that. Check that out. All right, so we've got our paper here. And all right, so all boxes come with this little flyer. So let's read it first. Try not to drop anything. So each month comes with this little flyer, which has a theme. So this theme for September is Fix It. So when you open this up, it's going to tell you, number one, it's going to give you a list of all the items that are in this box. So it looks like we have 5 items in this box. It also gives you some tips that usually relate to the theme. This one is campsite DIY tips. So there's 5 different tips that you can use for campsite DIY. And then each month there is a Nomadik challenge. With that, you can take a photo using something in this box and get a chance to win a $50 product bundle. Also, on every flyer there are brand discounts, usually for the stuff that's in the box. Sometimes it is items, brands that have been in the box previously. So we're going to keep this handy so we can read up on some of this stuff if we need to. And let's just dive in. So let's see, this is the biggest thing up front. RXAM oats. So in our Fix It box, we have a thing of vanilla almond oats. So it's 2.18 ounces. Looks like you can microwave it, or you can just add boiling water in here. The top says breakfast just got real. So we will definitely check that out. I've never heard of these, never heard of this brand before. So we will check that out. All right, next thing we have in our box, we have a sticker. They've started doing these here lately. They've started adding the stickers in. All right, what is this? The Tactica M250 Hex Drive Toolkit. There's the back. So this is, let's see, TSA compliant, non-scratch, lightweight, ergonomic, 2 spare slots. It comes with 12 quarter-inch bits that range from the star bits to flat heads to Phillip heads. So let's see if we can get into it, because just reading about it isn't good. And I done put my knife up. I have gotten a multi-tool from this company before in another Nomadik box, and it was awesome. So let's see if this one is just as cool. All right. So there is, and it looks like it has like a kind of a pocket clip and a magnet. And there is your driver right there. And now the question is, how do you get into it? Oh, like that. So that just slides out. That's all your bits right there. And you have your drivers there. So that is pretty cool. So we will test this thing out. It has 2 spare slots, so you can add your own if you need something that's not included, then you can add your own. So we will definitely give this thing the test, and we'll come back and do a follow-up review with it, because I think we need to. Because it's a pretty cool, unique little multi-tool. All right, so next. Fix and zip, so you can fix your zippers. All right, so that is everything you need. Instant zipper repair without tools or sewing. That is pretty cool. I have not, knock on wood, been out in the back country and had a zipper malfunction. However, that is pretty lightweight, a pretty handy little thing. Maybe throw in a ditty bag and have in the event that you need one, or wherever your other repair kit is. All right, so we've got cord locks. Never have too many cord locks. So these are from Gear Aid, and they fit up to a 4mm cord or 3/16. So there's that. And lastly, we have from Gear Aid, we have repair tape, and that is for better than duct tape, patch tears, peel and stick, durable, weather resistant, multi-purpose. Trying to see, it adheres to nylon, vinyl, and rubber. So that's pretty cool. I have not had any repair tape, but now I do. We'll check this out and see if it is as good as I've heard it was. So that's it, guys. That is the September box. If you don't have these kind of items for repairs, you will with the September box. So check out Nomadik. I will have links in the description below, as well as the prices. You can get over and check them out. And guys, until next time, stay bearded, get outdoors, and God bless.